Hi everybody, if you're checking out this video, it's because you'd like to see how to set up your Elanco Edmodo account. So let's get to it. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the wiki where I'll be hosting all of the technology updates and how-tos and ideas for use for the different tools that we're going to be using this year. And that's the same wiki that I used for elementary technology cohort last year for the ETC group. So if you go to lmresources.wiki.elanco.net, let me zoom in on it now, I won't. You will be able to bookmark that or save it to your favorites and visit that whenever you need to. So again, that's up here. And when you get there, there's a link for Edmodo on the right hand side, so click on that. And this is the Edmodo page that doesn't have a lot going for it right now, but I'll be building that in the next few weeks. And what we're going to do is set up your account. So right now I am actually filming this tutorial to help you set it up. But what you want to do first is click on the link that says Edmodo link. Now Edmodo is free for use for anyone and you can set up an account, but Elanco actually has their own Edmodo domain. So the Eastern Lancaster County School District Edmodo is where you want to go, and that's elanco.edmodo.com. And again, you can get there by clicking on this link, and I'll take you there. So once you get to this page, you're ready to create your account. So you are a teacher, so click on I am a teacher, and this box will come up. The first thing you have to do is enter your school code, and it says email LOTC for school code. I will read to you now the school codes for the specific buildings, so you can put that in there. If you are a Brecknock teacher, the code for you is MP2MC6. So you would enter that in there just like that. If you are a Blue Ball teacher, your school code is F3 lowercase l E3N. And if you are a New Holland teacher, your school code is HBFRYI. So you need to enter that school code for whichever building you teach in. And then come up with a username, a password, and your Elanco email. So I will set up a dummy account. As you see, you can't have any spaces or funny letters. I'll call it BR test. And I will provide an email that I have not already used. Select a title. First name, last name, and when you sign up, you're agreeing to the terms of service. It'll tell you all of the things that are available, and there you go. Once you're in, this is what the start page looks like. So as you can see, there are a couple things going on here. It looks sort of like a Facebook page. There's a profile picture on the left-hand side. There's kind of like a wall where all these updates are posting. There's an alert at the top that says claim your profile URL. If you want a website URL that's specific to you, you can claim that here. You click on there and follow the directions. There are suggestions of who you could follow, and as you can see, Bev Leibel already has an account because she's doing some grad work and she has an Edmodo account. So since she identified Brecknock as her elementary school, it knows that we're connected and I can add her to my connections. You can go into your profile to set up your name and your picture and things like that. So I'd go into profile. This is where you get your personalized URL. It's where you can edit your About You page, your favorites, and where you're from. If you click on your settings, This is where you're able to choose a file to represent your photo, or you can choose one that they already have in their bank. And here's all of the personal information. If you ever need to change your password, you would go into settings. And here on the right hand side is where you can check what kind of notifications you want. If you want to be emailed every time somebody posts on your wall or sends you a message, you can select all of that there. So you can take some time to go through your settings and decide how you want those to go. If you click back on the home page, you can see the types of things that you can post. You can post a little note, you can post an alert, an assignment, a poll. You can just type a note. You can send it to individual people, to a student, a group, or a teacher. Tweet. And then you can click send and it will post. Oops. If you type all, it goes to everyone. And there it is. Gretchen Ripple is already on the Eastern Lancaster County School District Edmodo group, and so it knows that she's within our group. As you can see on the left-hand side, you can join groups. They have a variety of different groups for different grade levels, subject areas, and then there are different communities. These are part of our communities that we're already in. You can browse different communities. This is just getting started. I wanted to show you how to set up your account. So if you have any questions about that, just email me. We will get into all of the features of Edmodo in a future tutorial and in the summer trainings. So I hope you'll join us for that. Thanks. So that is how easy it is to get your Edmodo account up and running. I didn't get into any of the features or any of the things that it can do yet. You are welcome to play around and see what it can offer you. We'll go through how to make groups, how to set up accounts for your students, and how to do all of those fun things at the Summer Tech Academy for Elanco if you're interested in attending. And I'll also put together some tutorials and be sure to share everything that I find with you as far as Edmodo goes. If you have resources in mind, or if you've seen great ways that Edmodo has been used, please email me that and I'll add it to the wiki. So thanks for tuning in.